Is your DStv decoder requesting an OTA software upgrade? Don't panic. An over-the-air upgrade is simply DStv's way of updating your decoder with the latest software features and security patches. In this video, I'll show you the two methods to upgrade. First, the automatic OTA upgrade, and then the manual method if automatic doesn't work. Most decoders will automatically download the update if the signal quality is strong. When you power on the decoder, it may show a message like, "New software available, do you want to upgrade now?" Make sure your satellite signal strength is above 80% and quality is above 60%. If those conditions are met, simply press OK and the decoder will handle the rest. It usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. If the automatic method fails, you can upgrade your decoder manually. Here's how to do it step by step. First, confirm the decoder is getting a good signal using a satellite finder or signal meter. Make sure the signal is properly connected to the LNB in port on the decoder. Now, disconnect the power plug from the decoder. Keep the satellite cable connected. Press and hold the P+ button on the front panel, then plug the power cable back in. Keep holding P+ until the screen shows a code prompt. Then press P- 3 times, then P+ once. The code 0001 will appear on the screen. Once the code is accepted, the decoder will start downloading the latest software from the satellite. This process takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Do not switch off or interrupt the signal during this time. If the upgrade doesn't start, double-check your signal quality, connections, and repeat the process. After the upgrade, your decoder will reboot with new software features and improved performance. Congratulations, your upgrade is complete. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other installers and DStv users.